Yes, welcome back to our channel again, UNKTV. And today we are at a place called, I don't remember the name, I'll write it down there. And this place is in Laikipia County, Laikipia East. As you can see, this is a bare land, or previously a bare land, but previously it was not really a bare land, it was a forest area. It had a lot of trees. I hear there were some olive trees and lots of cedar trees in this place, surprisingly. You can imagine there was a big forest inside in this place, but over time it was degraded because of unregulated grazing and soil erosion and so on. So what you can see here is a new technology that FAO has introduced in collaboration with other partners around this place, whereby they are doing what we call semicircular bands or micro-catchments. A micro-catchment is something like this, whereby you build up some terraces, semicircular terraces in a gently sloping land that is also bare. The strategy here, or the technology here, helps to stop water from running off. So when the water runs off, it carries with it soil and other vegetation. But for this case, this band helps the water to stop and percolate inside the soil, and this in the process helps the vegetation to come up or to grow. So what they did here is they brought some seeds from Baringo County, some grass seeds, and after doing these terraces, the semicircular bands, they sprinkled or they spread the seeds, the grass seeds. So these grass seeds eventually grows during after receiving some good amount of water. So the idea is to help the place to start getting vegetation. As you can see in this example, it was clearly a very bare land, no vegetation, no grass. But after doing building up these the semicircular bands or the micro-catchments, you can see now these the grasses. The grass has started growing, yeah, and it eventually builds up. The grass will grow, and as it matures, it drops the seeds again. So it helps the place to regenerate, and it also helps to control soil erosion. So the idea is to help the grass to grow, so that the communities around here in Laikipia East constituency can now graze the animals in such a place, because over there, back on those hills, is a forest whereby this community go and graze the animals in that forest, which is not really a good thing. So the project here is to help farmers have alternative source of fodder for their animals. So this is a very nice way, simple way to regenerate an area. And these semicircular bands must be in a bare land and gentle slope. If you do it in a steep slope, the water will definitely wash away, and it will create a small gully in the process. So it must be within a very gentle slope on a bare land. So as you can see, all the semicircular bands already has a lot of grass that has grown on them, because water can be retained, it can percolate inside the soil and helps in regenerating. So I think this is something anyone can do it back at home. If you have a bare land, this is a very simple way to control soil erosion and help regenerate vegetation in such a place. As you can see here, there's a lot of grass. Now look at the other side, the other end, where nothing is being done. You know, this is a demo site. It's a place whereby the community has set aside for learning. It's like a demo site to demonstrate how this technology can work. And now the other side is very bare, nothing is going on. So the community, I'm sure now they can see the difference, and so they can now replicate the same in their own lands. So these are projects supported by FAO and other partners. There's a conservancy right on the other side. I've forgotten the name, but I'll write it down there. They're working with the community to rehabilitate, to restore this landscape. A very beautiful place. Yeah.